Hello, guys. So this is CBS. So we have a lot of awesome deals to grab at CBS this week, especially if you're receiving CRT. So this is the second week I received bunch of CRT. So we will have a lot of items for free. So it's been a while that I didn't receive CRT, but this past 2 weeks, back to back, I receive a lot of CRT that I use in this transaction. And yes, guys, I think CBS is back. So anyway, we're going to do is this spend 30, get $10 extra bucks on the detergent deal. So Gain is really good this week because it's part of the promotion and it's on sale this week for $9.99 and we have some digital coupons. So I'm going to grab one of this liquid for $9.99. We have $2 digital coupon, also two of these sand beads for $9.99. We have $2 digital coupon, and for the other $2, I'm using coupon 24. It's even better deal if you can find this gain packs for $9.99, and we have $3 on coupon 24. But because my store is completely out of stock of the 9.99, that's why I just grabbed two of the sand beads. So for this three gain, your total is $29.97. So with the 98% rule, yes, you will receive the $10 extra box. And we have $6 coupon. So after all the coupons, you'll pay 23.97, but then you will receive $10 extra box, making all of this for 13.97. But CBS is really good this week because I think on Thursday CBS sent me this 10 of 30 on your next purchase. So for me, this gain is only $3.97. So here's my breakdown for that transaction. 29.97 less $2 coupons each, less my 10 of 30 CRT. So I'll pay 13.97. Then I will receive $10 extra bucks, making all of this for just 3.97 or $1.32 each. So here's my receipt for that transaction. So all my coupons came off as well as the $2 on coupon 24, my 10 of 30 CRT, and I rolled my $10 care pass and $2 extra bucks and pay 197. Then I received my $10 extra bucks for spending 30, so making the transaction for 397. But because I used my care pass in this transaction and we're only paying $5 for that, so for me, it's completely free and $1.03 a money maker. The next money maker we're going to do is this Nivea. So I will grab one of this Nivea lotion for $6.99. We have $3 digital coupon. Also check your account if you have $1 of $6 Nivea CRT. Also, if you buy two, you will receive $7 extra box. And I'm going to pair it with this Nivea Man Shave Gel for $5.99 because I have 3 of 6 Nivea Shave Gel CRT. So total for this two Nivea is $12.98. I have $4 CRT and $3 digital coupon for the lotion. So after all the coupons, you will pay $5.98, but then you will receive $7 extra bucks, making this completely free and $1.02 money maker. I'm also going to grab this free crest. So these are $3.99. If you buy three, you will receive $5 extra bucks. We also have $5 on three digital coupon. Also, check your account if you have 2 of 10 Crusty or T. So for this three items, your total is 11.97 less $5 digital coupon. You'll pay 6.97, but then you will receive $5 extra bucks, making this for just $2 or 66 cents each. But if you have the 2 of 10 CRT, after the CRT, you will pay 4.97, but then you will receive $5 extra bucks, making this completely free. So here's my receipt for the Nivea deal and Crest deal, guys. So all in one transaction and all my coupons as well as CRT came off. I rolled $10 extra bucks and paid 95 cents out of pocket. Then I received the $5 for the Crest and the $7 for the Nivea. So making the transaction completely free and $1.05 moneymaker. We also have a really good deal on this Gillette and Venus. So it's buy two, get the $4 extra bucks. And we also have some CRT and digital coupon. And it's a buy one, get one 50%. So we have $3 digital coupon for the Venus. And we also have $3 digital coupon for Gillette. So for this two razor, your total is $13.13, and we have $6 digital coupon. So after all the coupons, you'll pay $7.13, but then you will receive $4 extra bucks, making this for just $3.13. But if you have the $2 Venus CRT, you will pay for this for just $1.13 for all. So here's my receipt for that transaction. As you can see, that's the Venus and Gillette digital coupon, my $2 Venus CRT. I rolled $5 extra bucks and some cents and pay 1 cent out of pocket. Then I received the $4 extra bucks. And for our next transaction, we're going to do is this Axe deal. So for the axe, guys, it's not showing online the extra box promotion, but yes, I tried in store. I received the $4 extra box. So axe is buy one get one 50%, and if you buy two, you will receive $4 extra box. And we also have $5 on two digital coupon. But I'm going to pair it with this degree because I have 3 of 12 deodorant C or T. And for the degree, it's also buy to get $4 extra box. And we have $4 on two digital coupon. Also, check your fetch because we have fetch offer for the degree. So here's the breakdown for that transaction. If you're going to do the acts by itself, so for the two, that's $9.88. Less $5 on two digital coupon, you'll pay $4.88, but then you will receive $4 extra bucks, making it for just 88 cents for both or 44 cents each. But as I mentioned, because I pair it with the degree, so for this transaction, I pay $11.06, but then I'm going to receive $8 extra bucks, making all of this for just $3.06 or 76 cents each. So here's my receipt for that transaction, guys. And yes, all my coupons came off. I rolled $11 extra bucks and paid 6 cents out of pocket. Then I received the $4 extra bucks for the X and $4 for the degree. So making the transaction for just $3.06 for all. The next transaction I'm going to do is this Neutrogena deal. So it's spend 15, get $7 extra bucks. So I'm going to grab one of this Neutrogena for $11.49. We have $3.50 digital coupon. Also, I have two $3 Neutrogena CRT. And to complete my $15 total, I grab one of the bar soap for $4.29. For the two Neutrogena, your total is $15.28. And I have a total of $6 CRT and $3.50 digital coupon. So after CRT and digital coupon, I'll pay $6.28. But then I will receive $7 extra bucks, making it completely free, and 72 cents moneymaker. I also added the CVS toothbrush for $2.89. I have a $2 CRT, and I want to roll my $7 extra bucks because my transaction for Neutrogena is 628. If I'm going to pay 89 cents for the CVS toothbrush, yes, I can use my $7 extra bucks. So here's my receipt for that transaction. And yes, all my coupons and CRT came off. And I rolled $7 extra bucks and paid 17 cents. Then I received the $7 extra bucks. So free for that transaction. And for my last transaction, I did the game deal again. This is different account and different coupon 24. So for this transaction, I don't have any CRT, only the digital coupon. So for this transaction, 29.97 less $6 coupon, I pay $24 or $23.97. But then I received the $10 extra box. So making this for 13.97 for all. So here's my receipt for the game deal and all my coupons and the coupon 24. And I rolled my $10 care pass in this transaction and the rest are extra box. So for me guys, my game deal cost me only $8.95 by using my care pass. So if you want to do that deal and you want to use your care pass, you'll pay for just 8.95 for that transaction. Without using care pass, it will be $13.97 for all. So yes, guys, that's all the stuff I grabbed at CVS this week. By the way, for the rice, it's on sale for $3.99, and I just used some extra box to pay for that. So yes, if you need the rice, I think 3.99. That's a really good deal. That's everything I got for today, guys, for my CVS haul. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to hit the notification down below so you will be notified once I have new video uploaded. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber yet. Please subscribe so you don't miss any great deals at CVS and other store. Thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day and see you on the next one.